have had a very interesting conversation with the CEO of a circular economy small company. And the conversation was about how important it was for them to transform their business model by including some digital channel in order to continue to do some business during the COVID crisis. In just a few months, they captured through their e-channel a lot of information about their customers, which helped them to envision a different strategy for their shops in the future. Now they are ready to sell more product online, and they can adapt easily their offers based on a lot of feedback they can receive from their customers, because they have organized smartly their data to support these changes. You will understand better the importance of collecting your data, how to analyze them, how to organize them to help you to take better decisions in the future. It will be also an opportunity to have a photo of your current data and analytics maturity and to see, based on your strategy, how data and analytics can support your future ambitions.